Prodex Reflective Thermal Insulation Installation for Containers. Before starting, verify that the kit contains all required components, including your AP3 insulation rolls and the fastening system. Inspect the inside of the container. The walls and ceiling should be free of any defects or irregularities that could interfere with the installation or damage the insulation. All surfaces must also be completely clean. Using a cloth and isopropyl alcohol, thoroughly clean the areas where the fasteners will be applied to ensure maximum adhesion. This kit utilizes a heavy-duty, high-temperature Velcro system. Remove the release liner from one side of each pad and apply it to the container surface. Use a rubber mallet to apply firm pressure and secure a proper bond against the corrugated metal. Remove the Prodex AP3 container insulation kit from its packaging. Remove the release liner from the Velcro pads. For optimal weight distribution, ensure the 48 larger 5x5 cm pads are installed on the ceiling and upper corners. The 32 smaller 2.5x5 cm pads should be distributed along the sidewalls. Position the insulation and press it onto the ceiling pads, extending the material from the rear of the container toward the doors. Always ensure that the white finish is facing the container's interior side, with the aluminum facing the metal. Verify that the insulation is firmly attached to all Velcro pads. If necessary, use the rubber mallet to apply additional pressure. Repeat the exact same process for the sidewall rolls, ensuring the edges of the sheets overlap. To create a true thermal and vapor barrier, the overlapping joints must be hermetically sealed. Carefully thermal weld the overlapped sections using a professional heat gun. Crucially, the insulation rolls installed on the doors must remain completely independent from the adjacent walls and ceiling. This ensures proper door operation and unrestricted opening and closing for unloading or customs inspections. Prodex, insulation and packaging solutions leaders.